A good tube of caulk is not cheap, so how do you keep it fresh once you cut the tip off? Well, they do make twist-on caps, but most of them don't work very well. But you can make one yourself using a length of plastic tubing. This is 5/8 inch diameter by 1/2 inch inside diameter plastic tubing. What you do is take a pair of snips and cut a section of tubing, maybe 4 or 5 inches long, then heat one end with an electric heat gun. Heat it until it's nice and soft, almost melted, then set it into a vise and clamp it pretty tightly to melt that end together. And then you wait maybe 20 or 30 seconds, take it out of the vise, and this is what you end up with. But before using it, test it by blowing into the open end. You want to make sure it's an airtight seal. This one's absolutely good to go, nice and airtight. So now all you need to do is get the open tube of caulk, slip it on, press it on. It only has to go on maybe a 1/2 inch or so, that's plenty. And now next time you need to use this tube of caulk, just pop it off and get to work.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.